Hey there! So you've got your hands on a digital multimeter and you're wondering how to use it. Don't worry, it's a lot easier than you think. In just a couple of minutes, you'll be measuring voltage, current, and resistance like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. A digital multimeter has three main parts: the display, the selection knob, and the ports. The display shows your readings. The selection knob lets you choose what you're measuring, and the ports are where you plug in your test leads. Now let's measure voltage. Set the selection knob to the V with a straight line for DC voltage. Plug the black lead into the common port, usually labeled COM. Then plug the red lead into the port labeled with a V. Now touch the black lead to the negative side of the battery, and the red lead to the positive side. You should see a number on the display. That's your voltage. Next, let's measure current. This one's a bit trickier, but you've got this. Set the knob to the A with a straight line for DC current. Move the red lead to the port labeled with an A. Now you need to break the circuit so you can insert the multimeter in series. Connect the black lead to one side of the break and the red lead to the other. Check your display for the current reading. Finally, measuring resistance is super easy. Set the knob to the omega symbol. Keep the black lead in the COM port and the red lead in the VO port. Touch the leads to both ends of the resistor. The number on the display, that's your resistance. And there you go. Voltage, current, and resistance, all measured with your digital multimeter. Remember, always start with the highest setting and work your way down. Stay safe and happy measuring.